Housing Mui Lak Mangagi Matakta, kidney transplant Gidamakta donor ngaidi, Mui Lising Yang Kairomna, liver transplant Gidamakta donor ngaiduna lady Haina, Indian Organ Donation Day Githoramda, RIMS ki Director, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sarmana Fongdukre, Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India gi Makada, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences na Sinduna ngasi, Institute asigi Banting Hall da pangthukiba, Tarataruk suba Indian Organ Donation Day gi thoramda, wafam asi mahangna phongdokibani. RIMS ki Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent Professor Napram Sanjeev, Dean Academic Dr. L. Rajesh na President Member na Saru Yaraga Pangthokiba Thoramaduga Mari Lainana, RIMS ki Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma na hai, Hauzi Miyoi Lak Mangagi Mathakta kidney transplant ki damakta donor ngaiduna lairi, Miyoi Lising Yankei Rom na liver transplant ki damakta donor ngairi, asum na Miyoi Lak Kayama su heart, lungs, pancreas, eyes amadi atay marui bahagjangi organ sing transplant ki damak lairi. India si missing yamna yamlabasu organ donation rate adi yamna nemna lairi. Aikhoigi hagchang asi laikidraba matungda mai thadokhiba natraga lainungda phumjinbagi mahut organ donation ngaiduna lairiba mi amada piragadi miyoi kayagi thawai kanba ngamgadoribani. Mi amana organ donation tawrakpa matamda miyoi nipan gi punsi kanba ngami. Kanagumbana organ donate tawninglabasu machamasu imung manungna yadragadi organ donate tawba yade maramaduna aikoina hinglingai matamda ningthizana wakal tahanba ama mathau tai siraba matungda kanagumba amagi punsi kalamba haibasi yamna chauthokchaningaini maramaduna organ donor sing ngaiduna lairiba singi khalaga aikoi organ donation asi promote tawsi haina mahangna haiki.
Very important point called SOTO. SOTO is the State Unit of Organ Transplant Authority under NOTO. And in Manipur is one of the states which is yet to have this SOTO, which will overlook all the transplant activities. So now we have requested to the ministry, means the government of Manipur, to give this SOTO to us. And in principle, the state has agreed and will come up very shortly with that. And those are the developments, and we are very committed to the service, especially in organ donation. Even let me also share a very big dream, rather. We have been doing lots of cardiac surgeries of late, and we have done at least close to 100 by now with our very experienced surgeon from PGI Chandigarh. And our CTBS team is now very big. And even we are dreaming of having a first heart transplant in near future. So we are working on that,